In this video, I want to answer the question, what is a business blueprint? The idea of a business blueprint comes from the world of business transformation, and in particular, the implementation of enterprise-wide software solutions. A business blueprint is a detailed description of an organization's processes and systems requirements. A business blueprint will create a foundation for the successful implementation of your project by mapping out the needs of the business and how it intends to operate. It will, of course, focus on the parts of the organization that your project is going to affect directly, but it also needs to encompass any other part of the organization where the project will have some sort of a handover or interface. So, the software or the systems that your project is developing need to conform to the business blueprint. So, your business blueprint needs to cover a large spread of your business activities. Let's take a look at some examples. It may need to cover the customer journeys that drive the revenue of your business, the product or service development that provides your customers and therefore your business with true value, the marketing channels that inform potential customers of the products and services that you're creating, the sales process that converts a prospect into a customer, the value chain that takes raw materials, raw ideas, converts them into finished products and services, and then gets them to the customer or your client where and when they need them. The organizational structures inside your business that allow all of this to work. The operating models that make things happen day to day. The data structures that need to underpin your operating models, your organizational structures, and everything you're doing. And the governance process that makes sure all this happens in an accountable manner. So, there's a lot that goes into your business blueprint. Think of it like this. Like so much of the language that we use in project management, the idea of a business blueprint is just a metaphor. In the world of architecture, construction, engineering, we talk about a blueprint as a description that allows us to create the thing that we're trying to build. And so it is with a business blueprint and a project. The business blueprint provides the description that enables our project to build the finished product.